Hello, beautiful lady. I'm welcoming you. This is a welcoming video in which one I want to introduce myself. Something short about me. I'm a mother of 3 sons. I am a face yoga teacher. I'm a health coach. I am originally from Serbia and I'm living here in the Netherlands at the moment. I'm 50 years old. As you can see, I am doing face yoga training, in which one I achieved wonderful results, and in which one I am personally very happy because I can share this wonderful method with other women, with other ladies, or other men who are willing to go through the transformation. This transformed my life and transformed the life of other ladies. They participated in some of my courses, especially one-on-one courses. One-on-one courses are, of course, very special because you spend all of that time with me, in which one we, besides exercises and relaxation and massage, we also go into diet. We dive into your habits, and it's basically more than just face yoga. So because I think all of these aspects of life are extremely important, and what you eat really affects your skin and your whole body and your health. So personally, I can tell you, went also through a difficult time in my life, in which when I was extremely sick, I had autoimmune disease. Now I'm totally free from autoimmune, and I'm sharing my truth, my personal experience, in which one I learned much more about my body, about head and the body connection through the neck and posture. And of course, changing a diet plays enormous, a huge role in this. As you know, face yoga is nothing more than training your facial muscles, and in that process, you lift basically your muscles, and you're achieving wonderful results of rejuvenating, and you can basically get rid of 5 to 10 years from your face, depending on how much you're spending on face yoga exercises and how much you are willing to spend during a day, or perhaps you would like to do it like 2 times a day. That's also okay, as long as you are practicing it, because if you don't practicing it, you're just going to, well, you're not going to lose your facial muscles, but they will definitely be less visible. If you don't use it, you lose it. The same is with our body. If we don't practice, we just lose our muscles in our body. They become too relaxed and too soft, and that doesn't support our spine or any other tissues in our body. So that's why it's important to practice this with certain lifestyle, if you're willing to change and transform. And I would love to share that with you, my knowledge, my wisdom, everything that I learned up until now. And if you're willing, if this resonates with you, I'm again welcoming you to contact me, or to check one of my courses online. If you don't know what to do and you have questions, you can always send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer you.